Since the beginning of the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, hostilities have rapidly escalated, resulting in a war that has captured the world's attention. To understand the complexity of this conflict, it's crucial to comprehend the importance of missile usage in the current scenario. Russia, with its vast military arsenal, has utilized a variety of high-tech missiles to target strategic locations in Ukraine. These missiles are not only powerful, but also highly advanced in terms of technology and precision. They can cause devastating damage to both military targets and urban areas, increasing pressure on the Ukrainian army and the civilian population. The use of these missiles stands out as one of the most important and concerning aspects of this conflict. The technology involved and the destructive capacity of these weapons make them decisive factors in the course of the war. In this video, we will explore the different types of missiles Russia has used, their characteristics, capabilities, and the impact they have had on the battlefield. Iskander-M, SS-26 Stone. The Iskander-M, also known as the SS-26 Stone, is one of the most lethal and recognized missiles in the Russian military arsenal. Introduced in 2000, this short-range ballistic missile system impresses with its extraordinary speed, reaching up to Mach 5 in its terminal phase. This means it can travel 5 times the speed of sound, making it extremely difficult to intercept. The precision of the Iskander-M is another factor that makes it a formidable weapon. It can hit targets with impressive accuracy, which is crucial in modern conflicts where precision can determine the success of a mission. Additionally, the missile has impressive versatility regarding payload. It can be equipped with various warheads, including fragmentation explosives, bunker penetrators, and even electromagnetic pulse devices. This flexibility allows the Iskander-M to be used in various combat situations. One of the most concerning aspects of the Iskander-M is its ability to carry nuclear warheads. With a maximum range of approximately 500 kilometers, it can hit distant targets with a devastating payload. During the conflict with Ukraine, the Iskander-M has been widely used by Russia, demonstrating its effectiveness and destructive power. Ukrainian and American intelligence identified the use of decoys by these missiles, designed to confuse enemy radar and missile systems. These decoys, equipped with electronic components, heat sources, and radio signals, have proven effective in deceiving Ukrainian defenses. The massive concentration of Iskander-M units near the border, especially in the Belgorod region, indicates Russia's intention to extend its effective range over much of Ukrainian territory. Although Ukrainian authorities admitted in March 2023 their inability to neutralize the Iskander-M missiles, 2 months later they claimed to have destroyed at least 11. Regardless, it is undeniable that these missiles have proven to be extremely effective and powerful weapons in Russia's military strategy in Ukraine, Kh-101 and Kh-102. Now, let's talk about the Kh-101 and Kh-102 missiles, another crucial part of Russia's missile arsenal. These missiles are designed to be launched from the air, meaning they are fired from aircraft, such as strategic bombers. The Kh-101 is a highly advanced long-range cruise missile developed to overcome enemy air defense systems. It achieves this by flying at very low altitudes and maneuvering around terrain, making it very difficult for radars to detect. This missile carries a conventional warhead, meaning it does not have a nuclear payload. On the other hand, the Kh-102 is the nuclear version of the Kh-101. It can carry a nuclear payload of up to 250 kilotons, representing enormous destructive power. Like the Kh-101, it also uses a low-altitude flight profile to avoid interception. These missiles have been used in various conflicts, including the war in Syria, where the Kh-101 was employed to destroy ISIS positions. In the context of the war in Ukraine, these missiles have been used to target strategic objectives and critical infrastructure. The ability of both missiles to avoid detection and carry powerful warheads makes them extremely dangerous and effective weapons on the battlefield. In addition to their precision and evasion capabilities, the flexibility of the Kh-101 and Kh-102 missiles in being launched from various aerial platforms significantly increases the operational range of the Russian armed forces, allowing for long-distance attacks without the need for direct proximity to the target. This factor further complicates the defense against such threats, as Ukrainian air defense systems need to be prepared to intercept attacks from multiple directions and altitudes. Kh-555. The Kh-555 is another air-launched cruise missile that plays a significant role in Russia's arsenal. This missile is an improved variant of the older Kh-55, with technological updates that enhance its accuracy and effectiveness. Like the Kh-101 and Kh-102, the Kh-555 is designed to be launched from aircraft, offering considerable strategic flexibility. The Kh-555 is known for its long-range capability, allowing it to hit distant targets with high precision. This missile can be transported and launched by long-range strategic bombers, such as the Tu-160, which can carry up to 12 missiles, or even by fighters like the Su-34, which can carry a single missile. One of the most notable features of the Kh-555 is its low-altitude flight capability, similar to the Kh-101, which helps avoid detection by enemy radar systems. It is equipped with advanced navigation systems, including GPS and inertial systems, which allow course adjustments during flight, further increasing its accuracy. During the conflict in Ukraine, the Kh-555 has been used to target a variety of objectives, including critical infrastructure and military positions. Its ability to be launched from moving aircraft offers a significant strategic advantage, allowing for quick and precise attacks from relatively safe locations for Russian forces. Furthermore, the Kh-555 can be equipped with either a conventional or nuclear warhead, depending on the specific mission. This flexibility makes the missile a valuable tool for Russia, allowing it to be adapted for different types of military operations, from precise attacks on specific targets to nuclear deterrence missions. The use of the Kh-555 in the current conflict highlights the continuous evolution and sophistication of Russia's missile capabilities, representing a significant threat to Ukrainian forces and infrastructure. Kalibr, 3M541 Kalibr. Let's now focus on the Kalibr missile, also known as the 3M541 Kalibr. This missile is a crucial part of the Russian arsenal due to its versatility and impressive range. The Kalibr has been a vital tool for the Russian Navy since its introduction in 1994, and its capability to be launched from both surface ships and submarines significantly increases Russia's operational flexibility. The Kalibr can carry a variety of warheads, which can be either conventional or nuclear. This versatility allows it to be used in a wide range of missions, from precision strikes on strategic targets to nuclear deterrence. Its range varies depending on the specific variant, being able to hit targets at distances between 10,000 and 2,500 kilometers. This impressive range allows the Kalibr to hit targets both on land and at sea, further broadening its tactical applications. The precision of the Kalibr is one of its most highlighted features. It is equipped with advanced navigation systems, including a satellite positioning system, ensuring that it can hit its targets with high accuracy. Since the beginning of the war in Ukraine in February 2022, Kalibr missiles have been a key piece in Russia's arsenal, with Russia conducting a total of 643 launches of these missiles by May 2023. A significant example of the Kalibr's use occurred in the initial attack of the war, where at least 30 of these missiles were launched against Ukrainian command points, air bases, and defense systems. The production of these missiles is constant, with estimates suggesting that Russia produces between 10 to 15 units per month, resulting in an annual production of approximately 180 missiles. Most of the Kalibr launches during the war have originated from the Black Sea fleet ships based in Crimea. These missiles have been used to target strategic objectives, such as the JIP TCH-5 thermal power plant in September 2022, causing significant damage to the Ukrainian energy sector, with damage estimates ranging between 40% and 50%. The continuous and effective implementation of the Kalibr demonstrates Russia's ability to project power over long distances and the importance of cruise missiles on the modern battlefield. P-800 Onix. Now let's talk about the P-800 Onix, also known as Yakhont in the export market. This supersonic anti-ship cruise missile is one of the most formidable weapons in the Russian arsenal, with development starting in the Soviet Union in the 1980s and being completed by Russia in the following decade, being introduced in 2002. The P-800 Onix was designed as a successor to the P-270 Mosket and P-700 Granite missiles. with significant improvements in speed, range, and accuracy. This missile can reach speeds of up to Mach 2.5, making it extremely difficult to intercept, especially during the terminal phase of flight, where it performs evasive maneuvers to escape enemy air defense systems. With a range of up to 600 kilometers, depending on flight altitude, the P-800 Onix can be launched from various platforms, including ground platforms, ships, submarines, and aircraft. This operational flexibility allows Russia to use the Onix in a wide range of combat scenarios, from coastal operations to open-sea battles. The navigation system of the P-800 Onix is highly advanced, using GPS and inertial systems to ensure accuracy in hitting its targets. Its ability to fly at low altitudes, combined with high maneuverability, makes it even more difficult to detect and intercept by enemy defense systems. During the conflict in Ukraine, the P-800 Onix was used in several attacks, highlighting its effectiveness and lethality. In May 2022, the Kremlin announced that these missiles were used to destroy a military post in Odessa and a grain warehouse in the Black Sea region. Additionally, the Onix was frequently used in attacks in the Donbas region between February 2022 and May 2023, with approximately 145 missiles launched during this period. The frequent use of the P-800 Onix demonstrates Russia's ability to execute precise attacks on land and sea targets, reinforcing its position on the battlefield and highlighting the importance of cruise missiles in modern warfare. Kh-22 and Kh-32. Now, let's explore the Kh-22 and Kh-32 missiles, which have a long history of development and use by Russia. The Kh-22 was initially developed in the 1950s and 1960s by the aerospace company MKB Raduga in the Soviet Union, with the goal of attacking large naval targets such as aircraft carriers and battle groups. Despite its age, the Kh-22 remains an effective weapon and has been used in contemporary conflicts. The Kh-22 is notable for its speed, reaching up to Mach 3.3 and its range of approximately 600 kilometers. This missile can carry both conventional and nuclear warheads, increasing its versatility and destructive power. It is designed to be launched from strategic bombers, such as the Tu-22M, which allows for long-range attacks. During the conflict in Ukraine, the Kh-22 has been employed on several occasions, causing significant damage. In June 2022, a Kh-22 attack devastated a shopping center in Kremenchuk, resulting in many civilian casualties. Another example of its use was in January 2023, when an attack destroyed a 9-story residential building in Dnipro. These attacks demonstrate the Kh-22's ability to cause extensive damage even in densely populated urban areas. The Kh-32 is a more modern and advanced version of the Kh-22, introduced to replace its predecessor. This missile has a greater range, approximately 1,000 kilometers, and can reach speeds of up to Mach 5. The Kh-32 is equipped with improved navigation and guidance systems, making it more accurate and difficult to intercept. It can also carry both conventional and nuclear warheads, offering a lethal combination of speed, range, and destructive power. During the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, the Kh-32 was used in conjunction with the Kh-22, with a total of 226 missiles launched between February 2022 and May 2023. The Kh-32 has been employed to attack high-priority and well-protected targets, taking advantage of its ability to evade sophisticated air defense systems. The continued use of the Kh-22 and Kh-32 missiles underscores the importance of these weapons in the Russian arsenal and their ability to influence the course of the war, causing significant damage to military and civilian targets. Kh-47M2, Kinjal. Finally, let's talk about the Kh-47M2 Kinjal, one of the most advanced and feared weapons in the Russian arsenal. Introduced in December 2017, the Kinjal is a hypersonic ballistic missile that represents a significant leap in military technology. Its name, Kinjal, means dagger in Russian, reflecting its lethal precision and penetration capability. The Kinjal is known for its impressive capabilities. It can reach speeds of up to Mach 10, which is 10 times the speed of sound, making it extremely difficult to intercept. This speed allows the missile to cover enormous distances in a short period, with an operational range of up to 1,930 kilometers. It can be launched from two 22M3 bombers or MiG-31K aircraft, offering significant tactical flexibility. One of the most notable features of the Kinjal is its evasion capability. The advanced maneuver and evasion technology incorporated in the missile allow it to change its trajectory during flight, making it difficult to intercept by anti-missile defense systems. This capability makes the Kinjal a particularly threatening weapon for any air defense system. During the conflict in Ukraine, the Kinjal has been used selectively, reflecting its strategic importance. In the first 15 months of the conflict, it is estimated that Russia launched between 20 to 23 Kinjal missiles, with less than 50 units available in total. A notable use of the Kinjal occurred in March 2022, when it destroyed an underground weapons depot in Delane and later a fuel depot in Stiantipka. The performance of the Kinjal has been a source of debate. While the Ukrainian High Command claims to have intercepted some of these missiles and questions the promised speed of Mach 10, the Russian Ministry of Defense vigorously defends the effectiveness of the Kinjal, highlighting its combat performance as excellent. These disputes reflect the complexity and sophistication of modern warfare, where technology and information play crucial roles. The K-47M2 Kinjal, with its hypersonic capabilities, represents a new era in missile technology, challenging existing defenses and offering Russia a significant strategic advantage. Its use in the current conflict underscores the ongoing importance of developing and implementing advanced military technologies to achieve superiority on the battlefield. The impact of these missiles on the war in Ukraine has been devastating, causing large-scale destruction and highlighting the importance of missile technology in conducting modern military operations. These weapons have changed the course of the war, influencing strategic and tactical decisions on the battlefield. For viewers, it is crucial to understand that modern warfare is not just about brute force, but also about technological superiority. The effectiveness of Russian missiles demonstrates how technology can be used to gain an advantage in conflicts, significantly impacting the balance of power. Thus, we conclude our analysis of the Russian missiles used in the conflict with Ukraine. We hope this video has provided a deeper understanding of the complexities involved and the importance of military technology in the current geopolitical landscape. War is a tragedy, and understanding the tools of destruction helps us appreciate the need to seek peace and resolve conflicts through diplomatic means whenever possible. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive more videos like this. Write your opinion in the video comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on Military Schedule.